What's up, everybody? Hope y'all are doing well. Today we're going to be sharing a brand new concept. And this concept requires a little bit of computer and internet technology. So, a couple of us have done some crazy designs on a particular AI image generator hosted by Bing. We've designed skyscrapers, we've designed Miami Vice scenes, we've designed Cafe Cubano, we have made Miami a Lego environment built on bricks, literally and figuratively. So, in honor of today being Taco Tuesday, I designed a Lego taco stand. So this is a nice starting point, something attainable, small. You can put it on a 6x10 plate like in the modular building standard. We got a ton of those. Easy colors, easy parts, and a nice concept to test. But why am I saying all of that when there's just a computer generated design? Because part of the challenge I'm about to introduce that I've taken on for myself is to actually build the taco stand in real life. So we have our brand new AI drawn series where we have the AI drawing there and we try our best to replicate it with Lego parts here. And I will say that it was a pretty successful replication. Of course, a couple of liberties had to be taken to convert it from the rather ambiguous design here, which has no real studs, probably some bad proportions, and just make it something attainable and done in a scale that can be matched here, and also on a relatively tight parts budget, because frankly, let me be honest, I'm not going to invest too much into making this the most detailed model ever. It's just a taco stand, right? Well, anyhow, it was a fun design. I have time-lapsed the entire build, as I will show right now. So describing it, we have that gray, rather dark gray 6x10 plate, a layer of green plate on the bottom, some white bricks, and some other early details on the bottom, and me trying to figure out what is going to go where as far as the windows and the walls. And then the model goes up through the ranks. We start to add the food accessories on the back and on the front, ultimately leading to the top of the stand where we add the roof and the awning. And thankfully, some recent Pick-a-Brick purchases made the awning a little easier to handle, as we have orange 1x1 plate and red 1x2 plate with the bar, which were both available in the Orlando and I believe the Dadeland stores recently as well. Of course, the actual taco element itself, which is an 8x4 modified plate, is widely available in all Pick-a-Brick walls. Very easy to find. I have not gone to a Lego store recently without seeing one, and I use the two that I have to make the obligatory taco. So as you can see, there was a plan for every element, and the building was faithfully executed, except of course the minifig designs are rather generic in the drawing, so I just picked two fairly representative minifigs. So back to the real model. So we matched details from the AI drawing to the physical build. So a couple of small notes. The window on the side I was actually short a 1x4x3 frame, so I kind of improvised a little bit. But it's also worth noting that we see this blue tint more pronounced on the right side, and the back is actually open. So that's where I decided to put a realistic obligatory door in the back. You can say that the minifig is working the taco stand. We can put him here. I guess he'll lay on the floor or do a handstand, something like that. I don't know. Okay, I managed to squeeze him inside. I don't know why he has a hard hat on, but whatever. Just ride with it, okay? So the drawing ended up coming out with two advertising stickers on what appears to be 2x2 tiles, or at least a sign piece that has like a blank 2x2 surface, but due to the low budget of this project, I did not print any stickers. Definitely some sauces and ingredients, and what appears to be a small little frying station is extremely abstract and very generic, and what looks like a cash desk on the left over here, potted plant, and some food items over here. So I was able to replicate most of it in Lego in the exact order, with a few subtractions. I think I skipped on some of the clear round plates since I think I'm short of those. And of course, what is most noted is the orange and white awning on the top, which I didn't quite do it in the most conventional way. I just did it in a way that will at least match the vibe of the model. But here it is shown with the similar striping pattern with the solid orange on the right hand side and some narrow orange towards the middle, but due to the selective compression I only ran 4 solid stripes of orange and white. Of course, I don't know if you can even call those studs. What an interesting texture on the taco itself. But the part choice was pretty obvious, and I went with whatever vegetable combination I could. I didn't really stuff it too much due to the space constraints back there. And the dark gray plate is a mix of the tile and studs, just as you see here, with a small gap for the taco to go above. Red in the middle, dark orange on the counter, green on the bottom, and a small waist bin on the right, just like in the real drawing, with that little bit of what appears to be a flame yellowish orange 1x2 plate back there. The tables were a simple design, just went with a small bench and a small table and to put some improvising food to represent loosely the fries and the burrito, even though we just use a hot dog. It's the closest thing I have right on hand right now. And the minifig enjoying the food. So this will be part of a new concept. I plan to roll this out with some more models in varying degrees of attainability, and I thought that the taco stand shown here would be a great attainable start. I plan to put some pretty massive models to the test, and I will definitely share those with you guys when I get the chance. But I hope you've enjoyed this small little mock, and I hope you have your taco cravings elevated, and you guys grab a taco and maybe some tequila or beer and enjoy it to round out your Taco Tuesday or whatever day you're watching this video. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more of this, and of course especially the later models in this build series, the AI drawn series, make sure you're subscribed to Vice City Bricks, and feel free to leave your thoughts, and of course extend a like to this video. Let me know what you think about this new concept. And if you would like, definitely participate. From HQ, where we are celebrating Taco Tuesday with a crunch. This is TE out.